Criminalization of politics in India, a threat to democracy. Hello and welcome to our video on the issue of criminalization of politics in India. The presence of criminals in the political arena has been a long-standing problem in India's democracy, and it poses a significant threat to the rule of law and the country's democratic system. According to data from the Association for Democratic Reforms, ADR, nearly 43% of members of parliament, MPs, in India's current Lok Sabha have criminal cases pending against them. Similarly, over 34% of members of legislative assemblies, MLAs, in the country have criminal cases pending against them. These numbers are alarming and highlight the need for urgent action to address this issue. One of the primary reasons for the increasing criminalization of politics in India is the lack of internal democracy within political parties. Powerful individuals within political parties often do not allow for free and fair elections of office bearers, which allows criminals to infiltrate political parties and gain power without facing any scrutiny. The nexus between politicians, businessmen, and criminals is another reason for the increasing criminalization of politics in India. This nexus has enabled criminals to gain access to political power and use it for illegal activities such as extortion, smuggling, and bribery. Political parties also often field candidates with criminal records as they are seen as having a better chance of winning elections due to their ability to use money and muscle power. The criminalization of politics has a detrimental impact on India's democracy. It undermines the rule of law and erodes public trust in the democratic process. The presence of criminal elements in the political system also hinders the effective functioning of government institutions, leading to corruption and inefficiency. It further creates a sense of insecurity among citizens as they fear the misuse of political power for personal gain. To address this issue, political parties must introduce internal democracy and transparency, and candidates with criminal records should be barred from contesting elections. Furthermore, law enforcement agencies must work together to ensure that criminals do not enter the political arena, and those who do face appropriate legal action. In conclusion, the issue of criminalization of politics is a significant threat to India's democracy, and urgent action is required to address it. Only by taking effective steps to tackle this issue can India ensure that its democracy remains strong and vibrant. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates.